everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a regional dish all the way from Rayalaseema. This is called Pulagam, which is made with rice and Moong Dal, and it's best served with some nice fresh peanut chutney. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I'm roasting half cup of Moong Dal in a pan. Roast it on medium flame until it turns to a nice golden color and releases a nice aroma. Once done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Mix the roasted dal along with half cup of raw rice. Wash the mixture thoroughly twice and add enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, let's make the chutney. Take 1 cup of raw peanuts with skin. Roast them evenly in a pan until golden brown in color. Once roasted, transfer them to another bowl. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 2 tomatoes chopped, about 7 green chillies slit, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, about 7 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 small pieces of tamarind and 1 teaspoon of rock salt, and mix everything well. Cook on medium flame until the tomatoes become nice and mushy. Then add a handful of fresh coriander leaves and a few curry leaves. Saute for another minute. Turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool completely. First add the roasted peanuts to the mixer jar and powder it. Then add the sauteed tomato mixture with a little water and blend everything to a nice smooth chutney consistency. Transfer the chutney to the serving bowl. For added crunch, garnish it with some finely chopped onions. If you don't prefer adding onions, you can just skip them. In a deep pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and roast them. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 1 large onion thinly sliced, 3 slit green chilies and a few curry leaves. Saute everything until the onions become partially cooked and slightly translucent. At this stage, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 finely chopped tomato and mix everything well and continue to cook. Now add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Add the roasted dal and soaked rice mixture and mix everything well. Next, I'm adding water in 1:3 ratio. For quarter cup of dal and half cup of rice, I'm adding 3 cups of water. Stir well. Cover the pan and cook on low flame until the rice and dal are fully cooked. Ensure the water is absorbed and the dal and rice turn fluffy and perfectly cooked. Now turn off the flame. There you have it. This Rayalaseema style Pulagam and creamy peanut chutney are ready to be served. This combination is incredibly popular in Rayalaseema. Now it's similar to the dal rice paired with flavored peanut chutney. It makes for a very simple and wholesome meal. So as you can see, the dish is very simple, but this combination is definitely a fabulous one. Now I'm going to taste it and let you guys know how it is. It's just fabulous, just one word. It is so flavorful, especially with that nice subtle rice flavors with that nice beautiful peanut chutney. I seriously can't get enough of this. It's so delicious. I really enjoyed this combination. If you're looking to make something really authentic and a nice simple meal, I would highly recommend you try this. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.